Hello, my lovely viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're fine today. Today I'm going to show latest collections. So yeah, I'm start to small collections. So first design is very beautiful. Only 5 rupee and this price is only 6,000 plus. Very simple but very gorgeous. This collection, if you want, please screenshot. It's just for your kids. Next design is more beautiful. 906 earring. Only 200. This price is only 15,000 plus. Very adorable this design. Next design is more beautiful. And next design is very cute. Only 400. This price is 31,000 plus 22 carat. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous. This collection. Very fancy this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. Butterfly earring 22 Dubai earring collection. Only 400. This price is same 31,000 plus. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and you order this collection. Next design is more beautiful. 22 go year dur was so cute this design. Only 400. This price is same. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. 21 carat earring. Wow, only for only 7,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, lovely this design. 22 simple top earring. Only 10,000 plus this earring price. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. 22 carat ear dual earring. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Only 5 this earring price, and this price is only 39,000 plus. Today update news. Next design is more beautiful. 22 Dubai earring design. Was so cute this design. Only 400. This price is only 31,000 plus. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is very luxury design. 22 carat Dubai no Dubai two top design. Next design is a necklace design. Wow, so cute this design. Ojan all white only 144 ana. Wow, 22 carat Dubai necklace design. If you want, if you like this design, please screenshot this design. Next design 22 Dubai unique earring ring design. If you want, please screenshot. Lovely, fancy, beautiful this design. Next design Dubai unique ring design. If you want, please screenshot. Next design is more beautiful. 22 carat 2 ana, and this price is only 15,000 plus. Very adorable, very cute, very gorgeous, more beautiful. Wow, so cute this design. If you want, please screenshot. This design is only 4 ana, 3 ana or 2 ana, and this price is only 31,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful, simple ring earring. Only 1 ana start, and this price is 7,000 plus. Very adorable this design. Wow, lovely this design. Next design is more beautiful. Only 5 ana this earring, and this price is only 39,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is 22 Dubai full chain design. Only 7.30 gram. Very adorable this design. Next design 22 carat box earring this design. Only 1 ana start. Very adorable this design. Only this price is only 10,000 plus. Next design is more beautiful. Only 2 ana. This price is very cute, and the price is only 15,000 plus. New collection, unique collection, adorable this design. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, lovely this design. 22 carat Dubai earring. Wait, only this design is chumka earring. If you want, please screenshot. Only 7 ana. This price is 53,000 plus. Very adorable this design. And if you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design or 22 carat Dubai earring. Only 5 ana, and this price is only 39,000 plus. Very attractive this design. Next design is same. Only 22 Dubai jhumka earring. Only 5 ana, and this price is same 39,000 plus. This design price. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Issue the design. If one, please screenshot only 2 ana. This price is only 15,000 plus. Next design is 22 carat only 10,000 plus. This earring price. Next design is more beautiful. Only 6 ana. This price is 46,000 plus. Very attractive, very cute, very gorgeous this collection. If you want, please screenshot and go to any jeweler shop and order this collection. Next design is more beautiful. Wow, lovely this design. Very adorable this design. Very